Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Bhalchandra Naik, the man who accused Ranes, has questionable credentials. Naik has violated mining rules, convicted and passed. CM meets bankers on Monday. Bankers ask for 50% interest payment by loanee with outstanding amounts and heavy interest incurred. Final meet on 14 July. Mayam evacuee property bill not cleared. Governor returned bill to CMO without assent. Governor raises queries over provisions in the bill. Heavy power fluctuation in Panji on Monday. Faulty 11 kV power line from Tivim power station to Panji results in failures. Tough times for Panjikars. And principal of higher secondary school at Riverna says 23 students supposedly having HIV will not be removed. Parents adamant on their demand. Now the news in details. Bhalchandra Naik, the man who made senior Rane swear and sweat in the lease bribery case, has violated every possible rule pertaining to mining. Dahej Minerals, owned by Bhalchandra Naik, does not have a single permission for mining operations at Poriyam Sattari. Prudent Media has exclusively assessed all the documents which expose Bhalchandra Naik's illegal site. Watch the exclusive report.
Few days back, nobody knew director of Dahej Minerals Limited, Bhalchandra Naik. But Naik came to limelight after he made sensational allegations against leader of opposition Pratap Singh Rane and MLA Vishwajit Rane. Naik had alleged that Ranes had demanded bribe of 10 crore rupees in return for a lease file clearance. According to Naik, bribe was demanded to clear EC file of Pariye plant. On the basis of this allegation, special investigation team related to mining registered an FIR against Pratap Singh Rane and Vishwajit Rane. Prudent accessed and went through the documents pertaining to this case and discovered some shocking facts relating to complainant Bhalchandra Naik. Documents with Prudent reveal: 1995, Director of Industries and Mines had mentioned that Dahej Minerals Limited Director Bhalchandra Naik does not hold lease in the state of Goa. That time, Mines Department filed a complaint with Superintendent of Police, North Goa, against Dahej Minerals Limited regarding falsification of records, forgery, unauthorized and illegal use of government stamp. Bhalchandra Naik has been convicted in these offences under Section 447, 506 and 376 of the Indian Penal Code. Considering his age, he was not put behind the bars. In the year 2004, Dahej Minerals Limited in its own affidavit mentioned that the company did not hold any mining lease in the state of Goa and other states in India. In 2007, Bhalchandra Naik restarted excavation at Pariye illegally without holding any lease or legal document. Naik even did not have a NOC from Panchayat for mining in Pariye. Neither Naik possessed consent or NOC from the Goa State Pollution Control Board for mining at Pariye. Dahej Minerals has an office in Panji, and that too without any trade and occupation license from CCP. In all the applications, Dahej Minerals Limited has given fake addresses. Bhalchandra Naik had pointed out that senior Rane, while he too is on the much darker side of the episode. Now the question arises, how did Bhalchandra start excavation at Poriya without any lease or permissions? How did Mines Department consider his application for mining in the year 2007? We contacted Bhalchandra Naik to get answers for these questions. This is what he had to say in his defense. Supreme Court had given me a clean chit. Rane refused to abide SC verdict at that time. I have not done anything illegal. Before we could ask him further questions, Bhalchandra Naik disconnected the phone. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Banks from Goa are pleading government to at least allow 50% interest of loan borrowed by mining dependents. Government had directed all the banks to waive off complete interest and penal interest incurred on outstanding loans of trucks owners, barges and machine owners. Bankers had a meeting with Mine Minister Manohar Parrikar. 14 July meeting will clear who gets relief, bankers or mining dependents.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar held a meeting with bankers on the interest waiver proposal. Banks have clearly told CM that it is not possible for them to waive a full amount of interest and at least 50% amount has to be paid by the loanee. Goa State Cooperative Bank is awaiting payment of 55 crores through mining loans. Altogether 1,800 crores are at stake and stuck. Banks are stuck between government and loanee. Government had recently formulated a policy for truck owners and barge owners burdened with bank loans. Policy was prepared to provide relief to banks also, which are battling NPA trouble due to heavy outstanding loans by mining dependents. Government in its policy had declared to pay 20% of the loan amount if 80% is cleared by the loanee. Policy directed banks to waive off penal interest on outstanding amount of loans. Government had even made provision of providing loans through EDC on 5-year repayment term for mining dependents. Banks have clearly refused to waive off 100% interest on loans, while government seems to be adamant on its stand. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Former Governor B.V. Vanchu has returned Parrikar government's ambitious Mayam Evacuee Property Bill without assent. The bill was passed in the State Assembly few months back. Sources say at present the bill is in CM Manohar Parrikar's possession. Governor has raised queries on certain provisions in the bill. Sources at Raj Bhavan say that Governor returned the bill back to Chief Minister's office seeking certain clarifications.
Goa Assembly had passed the bill on Maya Evacuee Property in the Assembly session during March. The bill provides for transferring land-related rights to the Mayakars. The bill was then sent to the Governor B.V. Vanchu for his assent. Sources from Raj Bhavan informed Prudent that Governor Vanchu took quite a significant time to study the provisions in the bill. Governor wanted clarification on some of the provisions in the bill. There was an attempt from Governor's associate legal staff to decode some of the unclear provisions in the bill. Here are some of the queries raised by the Governor. Governor Vanchu observed doubt over some of the legal provisions in bill. Instead of returning bill to the Assembly, Governor preferred clarification from CMO. India is independent. No need for Goa government to inform Portuguese government about changes in local laws. We can very well frame our own rules for the state and country. Governor's office took almost 4 months to study the bill. Just 20 days back, Governor had written the bill to the Chief Minister seeking a clarification. Till Vanchu could leave his Raj Bhavan office on Monday, CMO had not furnished clarification to the Governor. On Monday evening, Vanchu left for Delhi. As of now, Goa has no Governor. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
District Investigating Unit of North Goa Police has busted a gang of car lifters who used to steal cars after taking it on rent. After a long chase, police has arrested 2 accused, namely Nitesh Naik and Rajiv Sharma from Mumbai. Police recovered 2 stolen cars from their possession.
Information आयले की एक गँग आसा, ते गँग गाडी हायरान घेतात आणि ती गाडी out of Goa वरून that vehicle is resold to somebody else by changing some parts. आमकां तेजो एक मोबायल नंबर ट्रॅक जालो आनी ताज्या वयल्यान आमी ते इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळें की that vehicle that person is in Mumbai. So we intercepted at one toll naka. तो टोल नाका पयशे फारीक केल्या शिवाय तो फुडें वचपाक शकना. So they have to stop there. आमकां ऑप्शन नासल्यार थंयच रावचें पडलें आनी they were detained there. The name of the accused is Nitin Naik हो वास्कोचो, मूळ वास्कोचो, तेजें पूण रावता मुंबय. आणि अजय राठोड वो रावता मुंबयचो. टोटल आजून पर्यंत 5 व्हेकल कन्फेस केल्या, 5 कार व्हेल्या म्हणून कन्फेस केला. भितरल्यो 2 गाडयो ऑलरेडी रिकवर जाल्या आनी 3 गाडयो ताणें सांगला आमच्या एक जाग्याचेर आसा. सो वी वील ट्राय टू रिकवर दॅट.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.